My mother and brother were coming home from walking around the mall, which sounds like a complete waste of time. And a few streets away, there's a bunch of CRTs and computers. Here's one, EV700. Here's the computer. He said he took the hard drive out, which is fine. Move. Yeah, it's got full array of cards. The graphics card is factory because it has a plug in it. Probably works. Windows Me COA. I put 98 on it, but this weirdo was going to put Windows Me on it. He called that oh, that is... It's Firewire, right? That plug right there. So it should probably work. Now let's see the other thing. Wow. That's a KDS flat screen. It's dirty. And blurry. Oh yeah, a GE Portacolor. Tube set, portable. And here's an ALC. Do they work? Let's bring them inside. These were 15 each, I think he said.